Hey, this is Workbench Quagmire back with our free Code Camp Python certification in 100-ish days, day 97. Somebody asked this question about what's the exam like, and I couldn't resist. So I actually gonna cut the review short for now and just tell you what it's like, because I took it last night. So I took the exam. The exam is 50 questions. You have 2 hours to complete it. It's all multiple choice. It's very similar to the review quizzes. Basically, it's the same type of questions. It's multiple choice. So I'm just going to go through real quick for today's video. It's just going to be super short, and I'm going to explain kind of the process to you. So once you get done with everything, it will basically say, hey, you've completed everything to take the exam. And then you need to generate an exam token, copy that token. Then you're going to download the latest environment. That's what I did. I tried to open environment application, but I was on Linux and it wouldn't work. But download the latest version and then paste in your token, and it's going to give you some basic high-level instructions about, hey, you have 2 hours to do these 50 questions, and it basically puts a question up on the screen, you answer, then you hit next question, and you have like a series of little dots at the bottom to track your progress, 1 through 50. I actually answered 1 and then 50 because I was like kind of curious if the exam went in any particular order, and it sort of does. Like the very basic stuff's at the beginning and some of the harder stuff's at the end, but some of the basic stuff is also at the end. So that's how that works. And when I was done, it gets graded by a moderator. I don't know what that means. And then I don't think I got an email or anything. Haven't checked my email, I guess. But I did go back in and saw that it was graded, and you have to get an 80 out of 100, and I got a 92. So, and there were some questions I was like, so was that I missed 4 out of 50. And there were some questions I was like, I don't know. But generally with the questions, again, it's like the quiz questions when you look at it. Here's an example. It'll ask you what mutable data types are, and 2 of the immutable data types are, and 2 of the options had string in it. And strings are immutable. You can slice them, you can tear them apart and turn them into lists, you can do all kinds of things, but the actual string is immutable. You can't replace the second character of a string. You can change that string and save it as new variable, but you can't change that actual string. So you're able to eliminate like 2 of those without too much trouble if you just know some of those things. And so it also had lists. So it was like, I looked at it and was like, oh, strings are in 2 of these are not correct. And then lists was only in 1 of them. And I was like, okay. And I was like, lists are immutable out of the 2 remaining, so that should be included. So, but again, it's 50 questions. You have 2 hours. I would say if you can go through the review quizzes and get all those questions correct, you can probably pass the exam. So that's all I have for the video today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll be doing some more review stuff. And then to finish out my 100 days, I may show you kind of what I'm working on. A fun Python thing that I kind of have been wanting to do for a while, and I won't complete it as part of this. And I'll start a new series. One of the things that I want to do is some CAD. So maybe doing a CAD live stream at some point, maybe next weekend. We'll see. But again, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.